Do you want to go kay Papa Zed? Mag-climb ka? Taran! Hello everyone! Hi!
Papa.
Today we are at the Robinsons, Cagayan de Oro City. Oh no, where's Papa? What is Papa doing? Anong ginagawa ni Papa? Nagpamassage? Saan siya nagpamassage? There's a chair. Pero, do you want to have a massage also?
No.
No, bakit?
No.
Ayaw mo? Ay, show mo nga. Uy, careful. Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Tara! Do you want to go kay Papa Zed? Mag-climb ka? Taran! Taran! Oy, Zed! Yung ano? Ano yung hawak mo? Ano yung hawak mo? Pakita mo nga. Pakita mo nga. Ano yung hawak mo? What are you holding? Oh, you show sa camera. What are you holding?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Cat? It's an airplane, oh. Oh, show, taas mo. Taran! This is Zed's airplane with candy inside. Huh? What? There's a candy inside, di ba? Yes. And do you know kung paano niya nakuha yan? Umiyak muna siya ng umiyak. Para makuha yan. Diba? How did you cry? Show them how to cry. How you cried? Sige. Angry naman yan. Paano kayo umiyak kay Papa? Sige. Ang face. Diba? And then you sit on the floor and then you lie down on the floor because you want to buy airplane, diba? Oh, show ang airplane. Tadaan! That's Papa Zed's airplane. Are you happy? Are you happy, Zed? Huh? Yay! Patingin ng happy face. Yan! Anong ginawa mo kanina? What did you do? Ha? Airplane. Nag-buy ng airplane. Tapos ano pa? Di ba nag-buy ka ng book? Anong book yung binili mo?
Papa.
Papa, it's about, is it about a tiger or a dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
Yes, that's right, about dinosaurs. And there's another. You even buy something before ang dinosaurs. A doctor. Yes, yung mga gamit ng doctors. Do you want to be a doctor? Yes, and there's another one here.
Doctor.
Huh? Yeah, you got another one, diba? It's in the car. It's in the car. You got another one, diba? You called Papa, diba? Say, hello, Papa. Please buy me battery. What did you call? Ang phone. Pero nandun na sa car kasi heavy. Hindi ma-carry ni Mama. We will get, please. Oo. They will see you crying. Oh. Smile. Sige. Patingin, smile. Oh. Say. Bye-bye, everyone. Oh, you face on camera. Say bye-bye, everyone. You face on camera. Bye-bye, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.